Hello student, welcome here in this YouTube channel. In last video we have discussed about infinitive and some of the exercise we have completed of infinitive. Now still one or two exercise are remain to be completed. So first we will complete that. After that we will go for next unit. Okay. Please keep a textbook of G with you. It's infinitive unit 9, page number 41, extension exercise C. Which is there on page number 41. Let's see what to do in this exercise. Make sentences from the hints provided. Okay, some hints are given here and we have to make sentence from that hints. First is arrive exam center on time. So we can say first we must arrive at exam center on time. Second is buy Fulkari sari mother's birthday. So we'll use here infinitive. I need to buy Fulkari sari for my mother's birthday. Number 3 is apply body lotion, skin feels dry. Here we can write you have to apply body lotion or you need to. Body lotion if your skin feels too dry. Feels too dry. Number 4 is clean the wardrobe, friends will tease. So you must clean your wardrobe if you don't want your friends to tease you. If you don't want your friends to tease you. So these are the 4 sentences. Please you have some time to note down these 4 sentences. After that we go for number 5 and 6. Please note down. Number 5 is change clothes, hot outside, sweat. Number 5, I need to change my clothes as it is so hot and sweaty outside. Number 6 is have a chocolate feeling low, lift spirit. If you are feeling very low and want to lift your spirit, have a chocolate. Okay, so this is exercise C. Now we'll go for extension exercise D. Edit the following sentences. Put a cross against the one which are correct. Some of the sentences are correct and some of the sentences are wrong. So correct sentence need not to be changed and you have to put cross there, and wrong sentences can need to be changed. First, you need be disciplined in order to score marks. So answer is you need to be. You need to be disciplined in order to score marks. Second is black vinegar tends to go well with olive oil. See, there is no any change in second sentence, so second sentence is correct, so put cross there. Okay, now third one. I am learning to be able to draw and to paint well. So I am learning to draw and paint well. Number 4, I want to go to the hospital to visit her. Number 4 is also correct, so we'll put cross in number 4. Okay. Now, Lucy was feeling enough full to eat anything. So, Lucy was feeling too full to eat anything. This is number 5. Now 6 number. Kim was the first person reach the top of the mountain. So Kim was the first person to reach the top of the mountain. Number 6, you just, okay, you note down this, after that I'll give you number 6. Number 6 I am writing here. And the answer for number 6 is Kim was the first person to reach the top of the mountain. Okay, so this is our unit number 9. You please note down this 6 one. After that we'll go for unit number 10. Now unit number 10, that is also an infinitive, but it is bare infinitive. Let's see what is bare infinitive. First of all, I would like to give you the definition or exact meaning of bare. Bare means uncovered. Or we can say not decorated. Uncovered means without any cover, or not decorated means there is no any decoration. So in infinitive, if you remember student, I told you that infinitive always follow to. Okay, but here we have bare, or we don't need to take anything. So infinitive without to is called bare infinitive. These infinitive don't get to with them, without to. They are the base form of the verbs. Okay. So these are the four rules of infinitive. You note down this. After that we have some more rule. Please note down. Now see student, we have some situation in which we can use this bare infinitive. So first is bare infinitives appear when. So first condition is after objects following verbs verbs such as, some verbs after that we use this see, watch, hear, etc. Okay, so when you have this kind of verb as a main verb, at that time you have to use this bare infinitive. Let me give you example. I feel to eat sorry mother heard the baby cry. So this is our sentence. Now this heard is our main verb, past tense of hear. So here we have another infinitive or another verb, that is cry. Or as you can see here, we don't use here to infinitive. So this cry is bare infinitive. Okay, this is our main verb. Second example, I saw the dog run. So our rule is after object following verb such as. So see, this is our object, this, and after that we have our bare infinitive. In this is our main verb. This is our object, and this run is our bare infinitive. So this kind of bare infinitive is there just after object. Let me give you one more sentence. My mother watched the bird sing. Let me explain this. This watched is our main verb. The bird is our object, and this sing is our bare infinitive. So this way we can use this bare infinitive with the verbs such as feel, see, watch, heard, just after object. You can note down this, student. This is very useful. Please note down. Second rule, After objects following verbs let, help, bid, make, overheard. So this kind of verbs are used. Let, help, bid, make, overheard, etc. If you find this kind of verb in your sentence, so there we can use infinitive, bare infinitive. Let me give you example. Let me help you build this. Okay, so here our verb is let, you is here object, and this build is our bare infinitive. Second sentence, I will help you so here again I will help you. So help is a verb, make is our bare infinitive. This you is our object and this help is our main verb. Another example, that funny cereal makes me laugh. So here we have this main verb, me is object here and laugh is our bare infinitive. So these three are the examples of bare infinitive. Please you note down this. So see student, if you can see here our bare infinitive is without to. So here all the rules are right. Here in this bare infinitive we haven't used to. So bare infinitive means infinitive verbs without to. This is for today's video student. Now it's time to give you homework, and your homework is Arrange these words in order. First is second, number 3, and number 4, so these 4 sentences you have to arrange. It is like jumble words, okay? Words are in not order, so you have to arrange these words in order and have to make sentence. We'll continue this bare infinitive in next video. Till then, please take care, student. Bye.